Good afternoon, everybody. So we start with the global market news update today. Overnight in the US, all three major indexes fell, with the Dow Jones Industrial Average down by 0.25% to 41,503, while the S&P 500 fell by 0.29% to end at 5,618. The Nasdaq Composite fell by 0.31% to 17,573. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and the S&P 500 surged to fresh highs during the intraday trading before reversing course to closer lower. Oil prices fell in Asian trading on Thursday after a larger than expected Federal Reserve interest rate cut sparked concern about the US economy. Brent crude futures for November fell by 34 cents or 0.46% to $73.31 a barrel by 0015 GMT, while the WTI crude future for October declined to $70.49 a barrel, down by 42 cents or 0.59%. The US dollar rose broadly on Thursday, recovering from an earlier tumble in the immediate aftermath of the Federal Reserve outsized interest rate cut that had been largely priced in by markets. The US Central Bank on Wednesday kicked off its monetary easing cycle with a larger than usual half percentage point reduction that Powell said was meant to show policymaker commitment to sustaining a low unemployment rate now that inflation has eased. Gold prices held steady on Thursday after hitting a record high in the previous session after the US Federal Reserve delivered a supersized interest rate cut. Now coming to the Indian market update, we see that Nifty closed around 38 point positive, that is around 0.15%, and the support level for tomorrow would be around 25,185 followed by 25,084, and the resistance level would be around 25,674 followed by 25,770. As far as Bank Nifty is concerned, Bank Nifty closed around 287 point positive, that is around 0.54%. And today's support level would be around 51,820 followed by 51,485. And the resistance level would be around 53,884 followed by 54,349. Now coming to the mid cap closed around negative 400 points, that is around 0.67% negative. And the support level for tomorrow would be around 58,050 followed by 57,586. And the resistance level would be around 60,681 followed by 61,068. Small cap closed to 44 points, that is around negative 1.26%, and the support level would be around 18,865 followed by 18,723. And the resistance level would be around 19,674 followed by 19,794. Now coming to the sectoral rotation, we see a good buying opportunities in diamond and jewelry sector, alcohol sector, retailing sector, telecom sector, FMCG sector, and healthcare sector. And top deliveries we see in rating sector, banking sector, finance sector, and infrastructure sector. Coming to the basket recommendation, we continue to hold with the best financial services stock basket with the expected return of 10%. And performance review so far is large cap performed till now 7.50%. Auto stock basket performed around 3.31%. Private bank performed around negative 1%. Tata Group performed around 3.36%. And financial services stock basket performed till now 6.63%.
Thanks for the update. As yesterday we have seen interest rate decision which happened in US market, and we have seen the rate cut which has taken place. And at present, if you see, yesterday US market were negative, but today morning if you see US markets are trading around 1% to 2%, Nasdaq and Dow Jones. And by seeing this rally, we're expecting in Indian market also we can see same kind of expectation. But there were a huge selling of which taken place in mid cap and small cap, then Phoenix 50 sectors. So negative we are seen in other sectors, but Nifty and Bank Nifty has been closed in positive for today. And then If you see European market and Asian market, most of the indices are trading in positive of 1% plus. So we can expect tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty to rally upside, and we'll see whether the strong bond which is going to happen in Egypt Nifty late night and which is going to affect our market tomorrow. So yeah, that's the latest update. Or related to any basket, if anybody has any question or related to any stocks, we can provide you the details.